How to turn off Facebook Autoplay videos on iPhone and Android. Welcome everyone to my channel, and in this video I will tell you how easy it is to disable automatic work in the application Facebook. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. This method is suitable for iPhone and Android users. First, go to the Facebook application, then go to the menu and click on the gear option. In the top right corner, you will be moved to the settings and privacy option. After that, scroll down the screen and stop at the line media and click on it. And here you can find the autoplay section. Here you can control the process with the video. Let's say on my device it is configured to own mobile data and Wi-Fi, but you can switch it to ownership only Wi-Fi, or you can disable this feature altogether. And that's it. Thank you all for watching.